Hi everybody, today we are going to learn how to force your network signal to 4G or 5G on Android. Before we begin, please note that forcing your phone to 4G LTE or 5G NR only will stop it from switching to weaker 2G or 3G towers. But if your network does not support VoLTE or 5G calling, you may not be able to make or receive voice calls while locked. First, open the phone dialer app on your Android device. Type the secret USSD diagnostic code #4636 # on your keypad to immediately trigger the hidden testing menu. From the testing menu layout screen, tap directly on the option labeled Phone Information or Phone Info. Scroll down through the hardware settings until you find the drop-down menu labeled Set Preferred Network Type. Tap on the drop-down menu to display the full list of cellular network protocol rules. If you want to force a 4G only connection, scroll through the list and tap explicitly on LTE Only. If you want to force a 5G only connection, select NR Only or choose NR/LTE to allow your device to seamlessly use both 5G and 4G without dropping back to legacy networks. The cellular modem framework will instantly lock your receiver to your chosen bandwidth protocol, giving you maximum data performance without sudden drops. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.